Hello, Pauline Multimedia. I have for you. Could you have a year as any other reports everyone? Now, you're one of the gurus. Peace FM Drive. Time host Mickey Darling. I am the better train for more because Omunina and your four are more a Juma Bakum, despite media. Sinambacho Marco Boko. Sinambacho, whether Wadaro small introduction, I'm a Yahoo for my.
What for me, Mickey the Triple Darling. I work with Despot Media. And then you very much. Now, KBB.
Now, I see you himself about drive.
Yes, now I do the extended drive and I Sunday morning special.
Senior, whether Wadaramo, you say Yarefo, Ehunyama Baku, you be Efa Kojo Yafiho. You himself, Arahoda, Ayin, Ayabishi Moha. Now, a dear de Pana, Unim say. And I say when you boss
anytime I sit behind the microphone, anytime me enter the premises of Despite Media, I remember Kojo Yafi. Seriously. At every single minute, at every single time, when I sit by the microphone or even get to the office, I remember Kojo Yafi. At any program be a me pass here, you can say Obi MC and Bibino. Kojo Yafi comes to mind.
Okay, talking of MC, you say or the favorite MC's MC. Pacho Munchie Mun say.
So you can be favorite MC's MC. Like me being an MC for a program. At the same time, he's my favorite MC that I admire him MC.
MCs are looking up to him.
Yes, that's all.
Subain Pain and I said the Subain Pain is strong among the friends.
Could just soon in the banana say Odonipa also on far I didn't shame him. Yes, when there is a problem, na say you tackle issue no, then you solve what he bounce back just to the normal way or entertaining akaye and kusum he motivates, he encourages, he creates or share ideas at every single time. Yeah, he was my producer when I was doing the main drive of Council Bro. We just call Charlie Abesnaga. Now today I want to co-host Akaba, but we will do him live. And in the course of the live, we will do him this. I mean, he will tell you. I mean, Kojo is Kojo. That's all.
Talking of say on fans say mo nse ni mo no obes betting out am what say no. Only one or two encounters or share say senior batch or the OAD as a try.
There's never been a thing like that because already before also what to work maybe what I said by engineer and when you get to know the person you are dealing with, so one can say work it before issue no background now is already know it's solved. Or meaning say on person internet now say yes or man who you pay and in your pay when he's offended he will tell you Charlie this guy did this and I didn't like it. Mickey, Charlie, talk to him about it. So only panic and that is the end. That's all.
Wow, nice. You can't. You heard Nipa. Or you very humble. So.
Yeah, and it's all over everywhere at the office. Okay. Yes, that is one thing about him. Everybody likes you. Also, most of the presenters, when your position be a baby, so they look down upon people. But you see, Kojo Yafi like that. He come down. And everybody, that's all.
Oh yeah, background music, yeah. Starting self one, I must say, like entertainment. For free, what you must say, and you be edgy.
Sure. Someone said he was now doing the main Leeds FM drive, and then OKFM weekends, the party at studio. He does it. And a DJ Fletch, any DJ, and he bring the artist live to the studio for Friday nights, and it's like crap. When you are watching him online live, you will love it. So there are so many things for now. No, we need to take our time to replace them. And I had COVID-19 season. I mean, there are a lot of things that we are missing out of Kojo. Yeah.
Okay, talking about COVID-19 now, learning on social media, and before we COVID-19 now,
What was me come and worry. Sana Ghana Yusubanti. And I hear referee say we are all destined to die. Your longer what driver crowd was the collapse road. And we are know. And if it's COVID, what power what the amount now we see. It's that rumor, we don't buy that rumor. Whatever it is, we hope and believe that the crowd Benjamin but with COVID issue, that one it's never anything true there.
Minim say now in the end you want na encounter on in the year. Like on in the year encounter as in relationship
most of the time na kwaje wife Sharika there they be aye born abaso when it comes to the officer mini kwaje most of the time Sharika we don't play with Sharika yeah just super because she's so loving when we are on there she be testing I'm not Nico you work not testing oh Mickey can say kwaje you did this I mean it's fun so and the wife also like what the husband does so obia sa na unya na we bibia the wife was so very excited and happy with her husband's job. It's not just Emma who didn't crash it because Charlie Juma way they be out the fee weapon by 10 weapon on that there are musicians out there you need to attend to them and so in that time even if you're not 12-1 yes so when you have a wife that ever ready receiving you be a puma not so as down Sharika is no need your problem cross to say how Sharika is going to cook. The empire bound said, "I may bet you share it." Now what shall it be?
Oh no, and I'm sure say we huna achiano. Now me ba cho no unya story be besi with dream based on maybe anatama kojo etiase no.
Yeah, the only story came to mind was when Kojo will say, "Charlie, me and my wife are the way to our 10th or this anniversary, you know, Ghana will be chopping. And you share any kind of celebration of marriage near Diana and in Kwadana. That's where he comes in. So Charlie, my wife there, the thing I go do for him, Charlie, he'll be surprised. We have to make us say, oh no, there is say no, or just could be an area so the I mean, so maybe who not one. I was just picturing. When is this girl going to hear this kind of sweet, caring words and that kind of thing? So, Charlie, we're looking up to God, seriously.
Seriously, we're looking up to God and we are hoping to say, Bibia, ebe, daddy, ama busiana so. Now, me bacho all year.
We have 3.
Oh, okay.
He's got 3 kids. The first one is almost about 7 years or something. The second one is like 4. The third one is a boy, and he's not even up to a year now.
Oh.
Only if you want 3. Like giant 3. And the busiana can say, "Bisa, ya be yes, ya ne be oh, ya be shenima, ya be shenima." I feel ebe do nothing. Ya jabi biya born so. That is what I'm praying for, sir. Despite media, we will not disappoint Sharika.
Good one. I was even coming there. No, I saw another article. Be na omochire say you are soliciting for fund for Kojo Yafe case. No problem. No.
I say and my phone mo social media.
Yeah.
Obia pebibia ka no be atumika akakotie. And you know that will never happen. Yeah. In Saturday na nye pedi. Yes. Na obi nim jompa ade bechi so we have never done that. Yes. Yeah, despite media yeah mobro we yes mobro humfo we see to the needy. Na so mwabia obi abebo bia no eno so obebe yes obebo nsa. Eno echi no we have to no to ebusuam. Obeye ejimo despite media. Yen asade SSA no we will do it. Ebusuam sade obeye no so wonye. But to go around to solicit fund for Kojo Yafe, that will never happen. And it's
a false news.
It's a false news. And there more bloggers, more social media, funny then there more trending issues. It's never true anywhere.
Okay. Those people are who's a story and as an article say Kojo Yafe yes solicited for fun ama nebano enyano correct ya clear waves necessary. It's never true. Senior Pacho main say ye jamu akompacho final words are the ma arefo.
Ne make sure arefo and say sabri especially with the young ones we got to be more very careful. Na yenshishe ye ne mai ne toto yenga kwan ye. Let us get ourselves closer to God. Na me ma we see any geno emro yenso. na obi ndim jonko ade bechi so ti wo prepare ya ye ne sabri na fi asisi wechi because this is too untimely e bia na kwadwo prepare sanka saadi ebeto no but enyesi so mesremo ayina so ye mompai e ma na yere ne ma no na erade beye o yesudi
erade beye o yesudi mu amen yeda so nya bre na ohwe ye na minim say dey wonya futu sembi efrim ewiase emfa nko ba bia nti ona ma no abre ho ase ha e Pauline multimedia